looked inside the couch and looked for a bunch of stuff, and we're going to be reacting to it. As you guys know, I saw a few things through the fabric of the couch, but on the other side, I just saw. But anyways, let's get started.
Okay, gotta see what's inside.
That is way too loud.
I didn't look back at the footage on the exploring the couch video.
Let's speed up a little bit. Okay, so I saw the fidget spinner. I don't know how that got down there.
Maybe I can look through the crack of the couch.
I didn't know what was going on.
Is that my fidget spinner?
Yeah, my sister gave that to me.
Is that a fan switch? What the heck?
There's a fan switch in there. That's back when I was into fans.
What is that?
Ew. Is that spillage? Ew, gross. What is that red thing? Alright, we're gonna speed up a little bit.
There, over here.
Okay.
See, all I see is that fidget spinner. I see it through the fabric of the couch.
See what I mean? I saw.
That's a body on
Ew,
the
that's
couch.
weird.
What the heck?
There's toothpicks. Yeah, I was playing guitar with toothpicks one time. Then they all fell down there.
From the other side.
Oh yeah, I was wearing my shorts really high. What was it? Right now it's 83 degrees. It was 90, I think. What? What is this? Pencils.
Okay. Entering.
This is scissors. What is that, an acorn? What the heck? This is a solo cup. Ew, what is that? This is a solo cup. This is a clothespin. Oh my gosh. Is that a piece of a candle?
I'm afraid I'm gonna get my hands stuck in here and then never able to get out.
Yeah, I was afraid of getting my hands stuck in there. I remember. What is going on? I remember when I was making that video, I was like, super. That's what I did with, we were joking around with the crazy stuff one day, and we just came up with funny things to say in this, weird gay voice.
See ya?
Okay, that's the weirdest outro I've ever did, but, oh man, oh my gosh, I need to find some of the weird parts.
Is there anything back there?
Where's the part when I said super?
Okay, I'll shut up with that word.
Did I just say
Super.
it? Super.
Okay, I'll shut up with that word.
Or super. But anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me reacting to this thing. Well, I'm gonna upload this one and then this one that I'm recording right now. Then I'm gonna upload Minecraft Stuffed Animals, which is a comeback of exploring the couch. So, yeah. Which I actually recorded that before these two videos that I'm making. So my schedule is kind of messed up. Super. Okay, I'll shut my mouth. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.